We are going to discuss about a very important topic, that is gain. Now question comes, what is gain? Everybody of us have heard about profit. So what is profit? Excess of income over expenditures. It is something just like that. But most of the students used to make blunder that profit and gain are same. No, they are not the same. It is different. Actually, what is the definition stand for the gain? Gain is an economic benefit that arises out of the sale of the asset. That means what? If a particular asset is purchased at a lower price and sell it at a higher price, that difference is called gain. That is not called profit. Mind it, when you say the word profit, be sure of that the profit is earned from the operating activities of the business, day-to-day activities of the business. Every activities which takes place in a business organization day by day, that is towards the earning profit. But gain is not something just like that which arises out of the operating activities of the business. It is fully non-operating in nature. Now question comes, when the asset become older, its prices usually falls, never increases. No, I am not talking about all the assets. I am just talking about specific assets. So one asset we can take it, land. How much it will be older, the prices will be move up. Be sure of that. Depreciation doesn't take place in case of the land. It takes place in case of the other fixed assets, but not in case of the land. Say in 2010, a plot of land whose price was rupees 10 lakhs, today in 2020, that price will be around 20 to 25 lakhs. So there will be 10 to 15 lakhs rise in prices during last 10 years. So if a person purchases the plot of land at 10 lakhs, now selling it at 20 lakhs, then 10 lakhs profit will not term as profit, it will considered as gain. That's what I want to say here. And in what other cases? Mainly the gain is being earned in case of the investment. Any sort of investment. We used to make investment, the investor used to make investment only because of that, to get the benefit arises out of the investment. So most of the investment is in long run. I am just specifically talking about all those investments which are made in terms of the shares, debenture, means in securities. The benefit arises from the investment made in securities is purely a gain. And it is non-operating in nature. It happens once in a blue moon, very rarely, or sometimes, not at all the times. So that makes the difference between profit and losses. Because the profit is calculated and counted every year at the year end on 31st of the March. But gain, no. The gain is not calculated on 31st of March every year. It is calculated, considered and written in the books of account when gain occurred. If occurred, then it will be written. If not, then that will be not counted for. But profit and loss will be counted every year. That is the main concept about gain. That is the question which is widely used in interview boards. I have been asked around 2 to 3 times. So be conceptually clear, be specific about what is gain, that is not profit. It is a little bit different in many senses. And you need to know what senses the gain is different from the profit.